Very good morning, dear children. How are you all? Taking good care of yourselves? So students, today in our computer class, we are going to start a new chapter. Let's begin.
Chapter number 10, Introduction to Flash CS6. Flash CS6. CS stands for Creative Suite. It is basically an animation software package which is widely used for creating animations with different images, sounds, videos, etc. Flash also helps you to create different kinds of movies. You can also create graphics and animations in Flash. CS6 was released in May 7, 2007 and is basically supported by Windows and Mac operating system. In order to start Flash, we have to follow some steps. Let's discuss. First of all, click on the Start button, then All Programs. In All Programs, we have Adobe folder. Click on Adobe folder and then click on Adobe Flash CS6 Professional option. When you will click on this option, the Flash screen will appear on your screen. From there, you have to select New option from the File menu. After selecting the New option, the new document window will appear on the screen, from which we have to select the Flash file ActionScript 3.0. After selecting the Flash file, click on OK button. So let's now study how we will use the Flash window. In order to open the Flash file, first of all we will click on the File menu, then we will go on the New option. The New Document dialog box will appear. From the General tab, we will select ActionScript 3.0. After selecting this file, click on OK button. Now this is your Flash window that appears on your screen. Let's now discuss different components or parts of the Flash window. Menu bar, tool panel, timeline, stage, panels. So now let's study the different components of Flash window. The first one is your menu bar. Menu bar is present on the top of the Flash screen. It contains the different controls for some basic functions like open, save, copy files, etc. Coming upon to the second component of the Flash window, that is stage. Stage is the part of the Flash workspace where we can place the graphics and you can create your own drawings or movies. Coming upon to the third one is the timeline. Timeline is that part of the Flash window which is present at the bottom area. It shows you the frames that are divided into sections. You can arrange the Flash movie in a sequence by arranging these frames over the time. Next one is the Tools panel. Tools panel is present on the right side of the Flash screen. It contains the different tools that help you to draw, paint, select and modify different objects in the workspace. Last component is your panels. Panels are provided on the right side of the Flash screen. You can make changes to your drawings by using the different functions available in the panel. Next we are going to study is Shapes tool. Shapes tools are basically used to draw different types of shapes like rectangles, line, oval, etc. I hope today's topic is clear to you all. Revise these contents from your book and take care of yourself. Till then, we will meet next week. Take care of yourself, everyone.